Maintenance and asset management is often overlooked as a way to help save money and time, and to keep your business running. HxGN EAM can help you make the most of your repairable assets and maintenance resources. EAM by HxGN is the world premier enterprise asset management system. This fully web-enabled and configurable work order and equipment tracking system will help you get a handle on all maintenance activities for your business, from manufacturing and facilities to fleet, oil and gas, and even public sector. EAM can fit nearly any maintenance management need. Through EAM, you can see bottom-line improvements in the first year of use. Production uptime will increase, helping you make more and better products. Capital equipment lasts longer because of improved maintenance scheduling. Employee overtime will drop because of better equipment runtime and improved labor scheduling, and holding costs will drop through improvements to MRO inventory management. Equipment are the heart of the program, and EAM gives you forms and tools you need for tracking repairable assets. Basic information like name, model, and serial number are included, but you can track operational status and the full life cycle of every asset in your company. Assets are also organized in a family tree or structure. These structures automatically roll up total costs and labor hours from assets into parent positions or systems. Structures also help your team find the assets they need when making work requests, work orders, or reports. You can also track linear assets to help visualize and track segments for roadways, runways, pipeline, and other horizontal structures. Once you have equipment records in place, you need to track who manages and performs maintenance tasks, and this is handled through the EAM employee function. Through the employees form, you can track maintenance, charge rates, training and certifications, and even shifts and availability for work. With equipment employee records in place, you're ready to start releasing work orders. Your team can start with a work request to ask for help, and your maintenance group can review and approve each request. EAM also provides a built-in email function that can notify users when their requests are released or rejected. The work order form automatically adds a tracking number and gives you fields for scheduling work, grouping by project names, and even adding sets of activities to complete a job. If the work order form needs to be changed, you can use the Screen Designer function to rename, hide, or make changes to fields on the form. This built-in tool lets you quickly conform nearly any EAM form to your business process. You can even add fields from the user-defined fields list and change field names to make forms easier to use. Once you have corrective work orders in place, you need to develop scheduled and repetitive maintenance tasks. The EAM PM schedule function lets you build your maintenance schedules based on calendar intervals, meter intervals, or both. EAM automatically recalculates when the next PM work order needs to be released. Task plan instructions are set up in a library, helping you make sure your work is done the same way every time, and you can even build an electronic checklist to take advantage of touchscreens on tablet computers or smartphones. PM work orders can also be set to automatically generate using the Alert Management add-on, a great time saver for any manager. Maintenance techs need quick access to tools, spare parts, and other consumables, and EAM provides an MRO inventory system for tracking parts, warehouse locations, stock levels, and costs. You can even build or upload your vendor's catalog information into EAM, simplifying the requisition and purchasing process. Purchase orders can be created manually or released from approved requisitions or awarded quotations. This full purchasing function in EAM can help you control spend on MRO inventory. If you already have a solid purchasing system, standard tools in EAM can help you integrate with your current PO system. This lets you create demand in EAM, but buy goods and services in your ERP or other financial packages. Finding records in EAM is a snap. Using the filter bar and the data spy functions, you can sort through thousands of records in just moments. Both tools are available on every grid view in N4 EAM, giving you quick access to the data you need. The data spy is also configurable by user, allowing you to create your own set of filters and grid views in each module. In turn, these grids can be exported directly to Microsoft Excel as quick ad hoc reports. And you can take EAM with you into the field with EAM Digital Work, an on-demand and connected extension to EAM. On an Android or Apple device, you can review the EAM Start Center and run reports, manage equipment and work orders, manage MRO parts, including requisitions and receiving, scan barcodes, record inspection information, and much more. EAM is a complete maintenance and asset management package, from labor and equipment to work orders, PM schedules, inventory, and purchasing. But the system can help you meet additional needs. You can add on a calibrations function, allowing you to track and manage equipment calibration points and standards. Alert management, to automatically notify your team of changing conditions, especially when escalations are needed. And asset investment planning, or AIP, a tool to help you plan and budget for new equipment acquisitions. If you'd like more information about EAM by HxGN, consulting and technical services, or even remote administration, let us know. The EAM Solutions team is ready to help you elevate your maintenance program with an award-winning enterprise asset management system.